Kuzu Zangpola. Kuzu Zangpola.
I am Tenzin Drala.
I am Dorji Zangmo. Today, we will explain earthquake preparedness.
Okay, are you ready? Please watch.
What are earthquakes? An earthquake is a sudden, rapid shaking of the ground caused by the shifting of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface.
What to do before an earthquake? One. Know your school's preparedness plan. 2. Know where the first aid kit is kept and whom to contact. 3. Be prepared with essential items at all times if possible. The items recommended are medicine, hearing aid, glasses, torch, communication card and whistle, mobile phone and portable charger, warm clothes, dry food, water, Four. What is a safe area? Safe areas are open grounds with no overhead hazards. For example, poles, electrical lines, trees, and buildings. Know the safe area in your school and practice evacuation drills. 5. Identify a strong desk or table away from windows, shelves, and other furniture inside your classroom or hostel. The desk or table would help to protect your head, neck, and spine while doing drop, cover, and hold action during earthquake shaking. Six. Identify items that could fall, slide, or collide during earthquake shaking and hurt you. Seven. Along with your teachers, take action to move and secure falling hazards that could cause injury or block your exits.
What should you do during an earthquake? A. If you are inside a building or a house, one. Stop whatever you are doing and immediately drop to the ground. 2. Do not try to exit during an earthquake. 3. Take shelter under strong furniture and keep holding on until the shaking stops. 'This is known as the drop, cover, and hold method. This is done to protect your head, neck, and spinal cord from any direct impact. 4. In a place without furniture, or if you do not fit under the table, select a place with no falling objects overhead. Put your arms over your head and make yourselves as small as possible to protect yourself. 5. If you are in a wheelchair, A. Lock your wheelchair, cover your neck and head, and hold on. B. If you have a hard hat, put it on, lock your wheelchair, and hold on.
B. If you are outside. One. Find a clear spot and drop to the ground and stay there until the shaking stops. 2. Try to get as far away from trees, power lines, buildings, street lights, and bridges. 3. If you are in a vehicle, stop and park on the side away from falling objects or landslide-prone areas and wait till the shaking stops. 4. If you are near unstable slopes or cliffs, be alert for falling rocks and other debris. If required to exit the vehicle, get out in an orderly manner. Landslides can be triggered by earthquakes.
What to do after an earthquake if you are inside? One, look out for danger and identify the safest route to exit. 2. If possible, evacuate in an orderly manner. 3. Evacuate the building cautiously by going down the staircases and move to a safe area. 4. If you are trapped, use your whistle or torch to call for help. 5. If both are not at hand, clap loudly or tap to make sounds. 5. Stay out of damaged buildings as there may be more aftershocks. Aftershocks could last for weeks and even months following an earthquake. 6. Be alert. Earthquakes can trigger other hazards such as fire and landslides. 7. Once you are in the safe area, make sure a head count is done. After the head count, let your teacher know if your friends are missing. We have now explained to you earthquake preparedness.
First, what to do before an earthquake. Second, what to do during an earthquake, if you are inside and if you are outside. Third, what to do after an earthquake, if you are inside.
Practice earthquake mock drills with your teachers and be safe.
This is Tenzin Drala and Doji Zangmo saying thank you.
Karinchela.
Glossary of terms. Earthquake. Tectonic plates. First aid kit, communication card, torch, whistle, drop, cover, hold, street lights, safe routes, safe area, evacuation, head count, aftershock, fire, landslide, earthquake mock drill.